Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best lawnmower blade head is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining a healthy and beautifully manicured lawn, yet it's often overlooked when it comes to regular maintenance and replacement. A dull or damaged blade head can lead to uneven cuts, stress on your mower, and an unkempt appearance for your grass, making the selection and upkeep of this part a surprisingly significant factor in achieving that perfect curb appeal we all strive for. This video will dive deep into what makes a great blade head and help you make an informed decision for your lawn care needs. Number 5. MANSPOT Manscape Groin and Body Hair Trimmer. Meet the revolutionary trimmer designed for men's grooming needs. It offers a comfortable and efficient way to manage body hair. Specifically crafted for the groin and pubic area, this device ensures a safe and smooth experience. Its design prioritizes comfort and precision. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a perfect groom. It comes with multiple guards for customizable lengths and replaceable ceramic blades. Enjoy the flexibility of wet or dry shaving with this fully waterproof unit. It's perfect for use in the shower or on the go. With a 90-minute shaving capacity on a single charge, it provides ample power for all your grooming sessions. You can rely on it for extended use. Experience an effortless shave with its advanced ceramic blade technology. It cuts hair cleanly and precisely, reducing irritation. What we like. This trimmer is designed for ultimate convenience and precision. Its replaceable ceramic blades ensure a sharp, clean cut every time, while the waterproof design allows for versatile wet or dry use. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-maintain grooming tool for sensitive areas, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who prioritize a smooth shave and a hassle-free experience. What people say. The cut quality on this trimmer is excellent, smooth, even, and comfortable without pulling or irritation. It's very easy to use, even for first-timers, and the design makes it simple to maneuver and control. Does not nick even the most sensitive, thin-skinned parts of the male groin. Number 4. Versatile Waterproof Grooming Kit. Introducing the ultimate grooming solution designed for men. It offers versatile trimming for various needs, ensuring a clean and comfortable experience. This device features an IPX7 waterproof rating, making it safe for use in the shower or for easy rinsing under the tap. Enjoy effortless cleaning and maintenance. From temple and groin hair to nose and ear grooming, this trimmer handles it all. It's perfect for beards and body hair, providing a comprehensive grooming experience. Experience painless grooming thanks to its advanced design. It ensures a gentle touch on your skin, preventing irritation and discomfort. Equipped with 2 replaceable ceramic blade heads, it guarantees sharp and precise trimming every time. These blades are durable and designed for optimal performance. This kit provides everything you need for a complete grooming routine. Achieve a polished look with ease and confidence. What we like. Experience a new level of grooming with this versatile electric razor. It offers painless grooming for various body parts, including temple, groin, nose, and ears, thanks to its specialized attachments. The IPX7 waterproof rating means you can use it in the shower for added convenience. If you need an all-in-one solution for diverse grooming needs and want a pain-free experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The blade head is designed for efficient grass cutting, ensuring a clean and even finish. It features a durable construction that withstands regular use and tough mowing conditions. The easy-to-install design allows for quick blade replacement, saving time and effort. Number 3. Weed Warrior Push and Load 3-Blade Trimmer Head. Introducing the Push and Load 3-Blade Head. When regular trimmer line just won't cut it, this accessory is designed to tackle heavy weeds and light brush effortlessly. Installation is a breeze. Simply remove your old head and thread on the new one. Plus, changing the durable serrated nylon blades takes only seconds, no tools required. This head offers a universal fit, making it compatible with nearly all brands of gas and cordless trimmers. It's designed to work with major brands you already trust. Experience professional-grade performance. Built to high standards, it meets the demanding needs of professional landscapers for tough jobs. Manufactured for extreme toughness, this accessory is the result of years of research and development. It's built to last through your most demanding trimming tasks. It comes complete with 6 durable nylon blades, ensuring you have replacements ready to go. Keep your trimmer running at its best. What we like. When your regular trimmer line just isn't cutting it, this heavy-duty head is your solution. Its serrated nylon blades are designed to tackle tough weeds and light brush with ease. The universal fit ensures compatibility with most gas and cordless trimmers, and the blades can be changed in seconds. If you're dealing with overgrown areas or stubborn vegetation and need a robust, easy-to-manage attachment, this is the professional-grade option you've been searching for. What people say. The original set of blades did a fine job for an hour or so of cutting grass and small blackberry shoots. I have used it for at least 10 to 12 hours, and have cut a large amount of the brush. This has really worked well. I have only had to replace one of the cutter blades after striking a large tree. The blades cut well with notably less power than a dual-string head. I also think the design is quite good and has been durable on my challenging gravel-studded dirt yard, which has worn out many string heads. Number 2. MANSPOT Manscape Body and Pubic Hair Trimmer. Introducing the MANSPOT Manscape Trimmer, designed for ultimate comfort and precision. Effortlessly groom your body and pubic hair with this advanced electric trimmer. It features replaceable ceramic blade heads for a sharp, clean cut every time. Enjoy a smooth grooming experience without irritation. This trimmer is completely waterproof, allowing for convenient wet or dry use. Clean up in the shower or use it on the go with ease. Keep it charged and ready with the included standing recharge dock. It's designed for a sleek and organized bathroom counter. Get up to 90 minutes of cordless shaving time on a single charge. This ensures you can complete your grooming routine without interruption. Experience effortless grooming with this versatile tool. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your desired look with confidence. What we like. This body and pubic hair trimmer offers a premium grooming experience with its sleek design and advanced features. The included standing recharge dock keeps it ready for use, and the replaceable ceramic blade heads ensure a sharp, precise trim. With 90 minutes of shaving time on a single charge, it's perfect for extended grooming sessions. If you value convenience, a clean aesthetic, and long-lasting performance, this trimmer is an excellent choice for maintaining your personal grooming routine. What people say. It came with the 1.5 blade attached, so I went with that, and a MANSPOT performed above my expectations down below. Not one pull or nick, a perfect trim at the perfect closeness. It performed well in close and curved areas. The single most important like is that the blades are easily replaceable and the lower blade is made of ceramic, so it does not grab and pull the hairs anyplace on your body regardless of how long or short you set the trimmer. Works well for my partner. Long-lasting battery time and does a good job with long thick hair. Number 1. 8 PCS Metal Lawnmower Saw Blade Head Replacement. Upgrade your lawn care with these robust metal saw blades. Designed for longevity, they offer a powerful cutting solution for your mower. These replacement blades are universally compatible with most string trimmers. Enjoy a seamless fit and easy installation for various models. Experience a cleaner, more efficient cut. These blades are engineered to tackle tough grass and weeds with ease, improving your lawn's appearance. Ideal for use with cordless lawn mowers, these accessories provide the power you need without the hassle of cords. They are designed to work efficiently with battery-powered units. This set includes 8 high-quality metal saw blades. You'll have plenty of replacements to keep your equipment in top condition throughout the season. Beyond just lawn mowing, these attachments can also be used for various other yard tasks. They are versatile enough to handle different trimming jobs effectively. What we like. Upgrade your string trimmer with these powerful metal saw blade replacements. Designed for maximum cutting efficiency, these blades can handle tougher jobs than standard trimmer line. Their universal fit makes them compatible with a wide range of cordless trimmers, offering a significant performance boost. If you're looking to tackle thicker brush and weeds with your existing cordless trimmer and want a durable, high-performance cutting solution, these metal blades are the ideal upgrade. What people say. They fit perfectly and are extremely durable. Despite this abuse, the blade remains sharp and doesn't break shatter. These are excellent for my lawn weed eater. They are durable, and last far longer than the plastic ones they sell. This blade are not the original, but performed as well as the original for the weeds cutting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.